What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up some brand new 2023 Hot Wheels. These are from the B case. Coming first up is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in a new red color. We saw this one in gray a couple years ago, and then we see it in red now, all red. And there is a super treasure hunt. I haven't found that. I don't know if I'll find it, but we'll keep looking. From the Retro Racer series, number 3 of 10, number 27 of 250. And from the B case, let's get this open and see what it's like. So, brand new Mercedes-Benz in all red. Look at that. Nice gloss red. Right in the back, we can see the Mercedes logo in the 300 SL. This is kind of like a race car. And number 2 on the side with the decals and the chrome red Aerodisc wheels. This one also has a black interior with the roll cage. Kind of hard to see. There's a number 2, black accents. Nice looking model. Kind of a small model. I don't know if it's a good scale, but here we go. There is a red plastic base on this one. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL classic Mercedes race car. Next up, we have the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. This casting debuted in 2020. And we see this one in metallic green with black 10-spoke wheels. From Hot Wheels Modified, number 3 of 5 and 44 of 250 for the year. And I have a few colors of this. I don't have any of the 2020 releases. I have both 2021 releases. And this is the first 2023 release. A little bit of a blemish there, but metallic green on this one looks very good. I think they've used this color. They've used green 3 times on this casting, so kind of boring to use green 3 times. Kind of hard to tell the difference between all 3 of them, but that's all right. This is a nice, thick, metallic green, and I really like it. We have a black plastic base and a gray interior on this one. Looks like gray interior. Number 7 on the side, very cool. There's the front, Bentley Continental, all sported out. Basically, if luxury and speed had a baby, and this is the car that you got. So Bentley is a very luxurious car, and this is the sport version of it. Very cool, very cool. Nice white and blue decals in this one. Nice new 2023 release of this Bentley Continental GT3. Next up, we have the B case Treasure Hunt, the regular Treasure Hunt known as the Surf Crate from the Surf's Up series, number 3 of 5. Here we go, here we go. This is from the Surf's Up series, as I said. The regular Treasure Hunt. Let's get this open. I found a few of these, so I got one to crack open. Very cool. And this one is kind of heavy. This is all metal. And this has, you can see this has the metal base and then the metal top as well. Feels a little loose. I think that might just be the axles. See how these spin. Spinning pretty well. We got some gold 5-spoke wheels on this one. Look at that metal base. Very nice Treasure Hunt. I mean, not the best looking casting, but I like the decals. It's a metallic pink, it looks like. Look at those designs on there. Look at that Treasure Hunt logo. Very cool. And a chrome gold and brown interior on this one. Pretty nice. Let's see, what year did this casting come out? Doesn't say. Oh, 2014, 2015-ish. And there you go. B case 2023 Treasure Hunt right here. Awesome one to add to the loose collection. Next up, we have the 80 El Camino in blue from Hot Wheels the 80s. This is such a nice model right here. Great looking release of this 80 El Camino. Let's get this open. This looks great in blue. Look at those rims. These are the retro slot rims. Only used on the cool classics back in the day. Then they started putting them in the main line in 2020. See this one in metallic blue. This looks really good. And another El Camino to add to the collection. And we have a gray plastic base. Take a nice look. Dark blue. El Camino SS. Look at that. Nice retro blue striping on this one as well. Very good looking car. There's the back there. Nice, nice stuff right here. Black interior as well. Nice looking El Camino from 1980. Looking great. Here we have a new color of the 84 Mustang SVO. This one came out last year in 2022 as a Supercharger in purple, and this one we see in silver or gray. From the same series, Hot Wheels the 80s. This has some decals on it, but let's get it open and take a better look at it. Alright, what are we looking at here? We have chrome PR5 rims, Phil Reelman 5 spokes, black plastic base. This casting's been out a while, actually. Very nice looking car. And then metallic gray, Mustang SVO. Loving the striping. This is some great looking striping on this Fox body Mustang. Very nice looking casting. Loving this so much. 84 Mustang SVO. Red interior. Black, orange, and red striping. Such a nice looking model. Take a closer look at the details there. Got the mirrors too. It's got mirrors. I don't think you see those too often. Well, actually, I think on a few of the castings they've actually been putting mirrors. But yeah, pretty sweet 2023 Hot Wheels B-Case release. Here's a super nice model, the 2023 Nissan Z. And this is, I think this is the Nissan Z Proto that appeared last year, and I think this is the same casting. Not entirely sure, but Hot Wheels J imports. And this is in blue with black J5 rims. Let's get this open. Pretty nice here. Metallic blue, black J5 rims on this one. It's all plastic in the black here, so makes it feel pretty light. This has a black plastic base. And made in Malaysia. Nice details on this Nissan Z. Very good. Very good. Did a nice job on this one. Take a nice look there. Mirrors on this one as well. Pretty nice. Nice little sports car, little coupe here. And appeared in yellow and then in white in 2022. And this is the 2023 release. There you go. Next up, we have the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Kind of a long name, but this is a cool Porsche. Showing up in red from Hot Wheels Green Speed. And another B-Case release. Let's get it open and see what it's like. Alright, a black plastic base on this one, and then the Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheels. Very nicely detailed. These have chrome rims, chrome on the edges outside, blacked out on the inside. Porsche Panamera Turbo S on the back. There's a nice look there. Kind of a long, like kind of a station wagon Porsche. Pretty cool. And then we have the black roofing on this one, and then like kind of a metallic gray interior. Of course, that is a plastic interior. Look at this. This looks very nice. The roll, yeah, it plays well. Look at that. Very cool. Porsche Panamera. Wheels spin great. Well, I wouldn't say great, but they spin. And yeah, nice looking red Porsche to add to the collection. Corvette C7 Z06 Convertible, another red one to add to the collection from Hot Wheels Roadsters. They're bringing back this series for 2023. You're going to see this casting in red. Let's get it open. Nice enamel gray, or gray, I meant to say red. I don't know why I got gray. But yeah, look at this. A black plastic base, red wheels, black interior, Corvette convertible. Look at those details. Double black striping. Very nice. And really nice convertible casting. They fully detailed this one. And nice red color. Nice bright red. Love this color so much. Just looks great in this livery. Yeah, another 2023 B-Case car. Next up, they're bringing this casting back again. The Nissan Maxima Drift Car. New model for 2022, now in 2023. With these new wheels. These are the Fraser Campbell 3-spoke wheels, which came out just last year from Hot Wheels J Imports. Nissan Maxima Drift Car. This is a really nice model. And came out in ivory last year. That was the last color. They're bringing it back in metallic red. This is such a nice looking model. Look at this thing. And the chrome bumper, custom splitter. Look at those windows. And then a clear hood where you can see the entire engine, clear interior, clear windows, so the chrome interior. And then those 3-spoke wheels. These 3-spoke wheels are really cool, perfect for drift cars. And there's the decals, white and black with Nissan on the side. Some Japanese writing. I think that's Japanese anyways. There's a star at the back. Nice wagon, station wagon. And then there's the top there. Kind of like lightning bolts in white and gold. A lot going on this casting. This is such a nice model. I hope they make a cleaner one in the future. This has a lot of decals on it. And really nice spinning wheels, actually. These are very great spinning wheels. Very nice metallic red. And very slight metallic. You can barely see it, but nice Nissan Maxima Drift Car. Last but definitely not least, Tesla Model Y from Hot Wheels Green Speed. In white, this is a new model for 2023. Let's get this open, see what it's like. This is in black base, and then a white top there. And I noticed there's a little blemish there, but that's alright. No big deal. We have the nice Tesla here. Quite a nice one. I wouldn't buy a Tesla in real life, but pretty cool. And what is that supposed to say? Kind of hard to see. I don't think it's supposed to say anything. I don't know. What about the license plate there? Let's take a look at the license plate. What does that say? I'm not sure. Not sure what it's supposed to say. It's like Giga something. Check out these wheels, though. These wheels, wow. They spin really well. Those black 10-spoke wheels. Nicely detailed. Nice whitish kind of interior on this Tesla. Like how they did the door handles. Very accurate representation. Nice looking Tesla Hot Wheels. I don't know how many of these I actually have for Hot Wheels Teslas, but alright, looking pretty good. Nice new 2023 model. Interesting new base kind of design they have with like an oval shape. And yeah, this is a new model for 2023. Pretty nice Tesla we have here. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more. Which one was your favorite? I don't know, probably the El Camino would be my pick. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.